Hi everyone, I'm back again. Now this came, I believe, from Amazon. Dust, dust, dust. I hate dust. Well, it's a brush. As soon as I'm figure out how to open it. Come on. It's a skull. Skull brush, nail brush, cleaning brush, scrub and polish. But this, I believe, was from Amazon. As soon as I figure out how to open it, because it's stuck my people. That hurt me. Look. Ooh. Look. It's a brush for your nails. Or for whatever. Or decoration. Because I think I will use it for that. I gotta make a little mold out of this sucker. Just for the hell of it. Did I just curse? Oh, I think I cursed. Oh, Lord.
That's so funny.
I did that. Okay, I have a lot of stuff here. She got me this. They turn on. They got a little light here thingy. But I'm gonna break them. I'm gonna use it for something else. I don't want the light. So that's what I plan to do. I'm planning to make something with that. Okay. Here's another one. I'm gonna use them. She got all this from Dollar Tree. She be coming with stuff and I just be like, oh my god, really? How much stuff you gonna be buying me? I got so much stuff I don't even know what to do with them. I'm telling you. It's like I could just give it away if I wanted to. And she finds out, she probably gonna have a heart attack. She'll be like, why did you give it to people? I ain't buy that for them. This is pretty cool. You know that? Gotta make something with this. I don't know what. But yeah. It's a castle. That's a castle. Oh, look at this. Now, this is so cute. This dinosaur. How cute. It looks like Dino. From oh, Wilma, you know, Fred. The Flintstones. There you go. That's what it looks like to me. It's so cute. So yeah. I'm gonna use these. She got this. Don't ask me what I plan to use this sucker for. Maybe I should just give it to the kids so they could just color it. Whatever. Here's another one. Look like from the Flintstones. That's what it looks like to me. I'm gonna break it and use them. I'm gonna take the bottom piece off. Here's a flower. I should give this to my granddaughter. Maybe I should just bling it up or something. I don't know. And put her picture there. So she can have it stand up somewhere. Ay, 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 ay. And here are more wooden cutouts. Butterfly. I forgot again. Owl. Then I forgot. Ladybug. It comes with two each. Yeah, two. This is 2 of them in it. Look at this.
Oh, it looks like slippers.
Flowers.
The writing ones as well.
It's pretty thick.
We only have the duck for the set.
I don't know if y'all can see it. Pretty thick. Not bad.
This one's not.
I'm gonna use this
This one's that.
either for mandala or resin. Don't know. There's 3 of them. There's 3 of those.
Now,
So that's pretty cool. It's a flower.
this one's that. Sorry, you're nowhere near me.
Look at this. 3 of them.
And let's say,
Okay.
this tree is on the like
Like an emoji. Wait a minute. Comes with a heart.
That's not the tree. Here's
Look.
one. Here's another.
That's cute.
So look how many.
There's 3 of them. That's cool.
Oh, you are behind me. This one no got words or this one. So you're right behind me.
This is cool. Kind of thick too. So this is not bad.
I'm done.
And oh my god, look at these.
I'm not done.
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them.
No.
She got me 5 of them. Hearts.
This one I can't do.
Pretty thick, you know. So that's cool.
Then
It already has the little hole there.
I saw you skip one.
I plan to use this either to make mandalas or with my resin.
Oh wait, I can't.
The heart of the ocean. That'll be awesome.
Wait, no, you ought to be behind me.
The heart of the ocean. I entered a giveaway a while back. I don't know when it was. Somebody doing a beautiful heart. And I think you had to pick a name, and I picked the heart of the ocean. Of course, I didn't win, which it doesn't matter to me, you know. Somebody won, and I congratulate them. But I also can make my own ocean of the heart. I mean, heart of the ocean. Also, not only that, I do have a mold. She also found this little small tray, which I fell in love with. It's crooked, but they, you know, whoever made it, don't matter to me. But I am going to make sure there's no, how you call it, these little things. And I was thinking, I'll make sure it's glue, painted, everything right. So, oh, it's about to come out. Look at that. You hear that? I end up breaking it. Me and my dumb self. But yeah. Make a little tray for somebody. Or for the kids or whoever.
Write the one that you like the most.
That'll be cool. Oh! The little one fell, everyone. She hurt herself. Wait a second. What happened, my sweet baby? Let me see. That's okay, mama. Yeah, this. Bad. Bad table. Bad table. It's okay. You might have a bruise, my
You
love.
like this one?
Yeah, you might get a bruise, baby. Yeah, it's a
Don't
bad
try
table.
that. I wanna see the picture.
Bad table. Why you keep climbing my table? Didn't I tell you to stop climbing my table? So why you keep climbing my table?
Otherwise, you're not gonna be my friend.
What? You know you're gonna get hurt. How about if I bite it? You want me to bite it? Get to bite it. Get to bite it. It's okay, okay? Bad table. Bad table. Yeah, bad table.
You're gonna know because colors of this.
Yes, my love. Clean your eyes. Good girl.
I don't like neither.
It's okay, okay?
You didn't know. You don't
It's
know.
okay.
You don't know.
Well, yeah, that's just, well, whatever.
I'm the only
She got hurt. She just gonna get a bruise. She's always climbing my stupid table. And there she goes, back on the table. There you go. But, yeah, I'm gonna do something with this. Maybe I should just take it apart because it looks kind of crooked to me. Doesn't it look quite crooked? I'm gonna end up taking this sucker apart. But then I might be dumb and I might break it. And then that's it. And I don't know. And there you go. And there you go. And I might break it. Yep, I might break it. I already took some of it off. Look what I just did. I'm gonna try to take it apart and fix it up a little better so it don't have to be so crooked, because that's gonna bother me. Yeah, it's gonna bother me. But anyway, yeah. So bye everyone, take care, God bless, que Dios bendiga a todos, be safe, because people are still getting sick and all that, you know, because people don't know how you say, clean themselves, and they always touching everything. And there you go.
Oh, and there's one more thing that I want to say. Say royalty, we're out. Just like
Okay.
royalty's at.
Okay. So
And if you didn't subscribe, then what are you doing? Subscribe right now.
bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna listen to music.